While I'm back, this is part, they're gonna have a part 2, but this thing is giving me kind of a little bit of trouble, so we're gonna wait for a little bit until it normally does this. So we're gonna just wait for a while. It's gonna rheem draft inducer right there. This is your inducer. This is what gives rid of all the gases, and it goes out that chimney right there, flue. That's what gets rid of all your gases, and it goes right there in that flue. You got heat exchanger inside here. I've seen them. This is a tubular heat exchanger. While when it's finished running, I'm going to take that flame sensor and clean it. So we're waiting. It's going to be a while before this. Usually does this every time it needs to get rid of some dust. Back on. There's your evaporative coil right there. We're about to have ignition because the thing's 64 in the house. I'm just going to warm it up. The ground wire is now on the gas valve. It's supposed to be on the gas valve. Yeah, oh well. Let's wait on it. It's going to be a while. These things do take a while. We're just waiting on the blower to kill itself, which it will after a little while. It's shaking a little bit. Here she comes. There it is. Just killed itself. We're back in the sequence of operation. The igniter's gonna come on. Goes. We're about to have ignition here. It's gonna fire up. This thing glows bright orange. It's hot surface igniter. Oh, I feel the heat from it. So it fires up the burner. Here we go. Here comes ignition. Here it goes. We have ignition. Flame sensor right there is going to sense for flame, and it's going to check for that. Well, I was kind of wrong, but it's gonna come back as soon as this igniter cools down. It should run again. If it doesn't, we're gonna have to check the flame sensor. As that's what it looks like. Because we don't want it to go into lockout. Or I'll check that hose right there and see if it's plugged. Let's see. It goes again. It's not working. It's going to be fixed. It's a lot different. Gas valve. There it goes. Please stay lit. Alright. Bad flame sensor. Alright, got my flame sensor back in. Okay, let's see if it works. Alright, got the flame sensor cleaned. It's probably the problem. So I cleaned it. See what's going on with it. Let's see what's going on. I heard a click. Pressure switch. We'll see if it's good or not. Probably is because the igniter's coming on. Alright, let's see if we got it. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh no. It's probably gonna go to lockout. It could be a bad flame sensor. I did clean the flame sensor. Evidently it's not doing anything. See the fires. There it goes again. Let's see what happens now. It does this sometimes. It'll do this. Here we go. Ignition. Oh, it's working now. Oh yeah, I fixed it. I knew I'd fix it. And warm air. She's actually running well now. That is a good running furnace. I'll see y'all later. Now we got us a good furnace.